Welcome back. Corporation of the City of Panaji meeting witnessed chaos over the agenda of the meeting. CCP Mayor Vedahi Naik informed that the pre-monsoon work, revenue generation and other items were on agenda. Mayor also informed that shooting of films and exhibitions within the CCP area is now allowed, but with conditions. Before giving NOC for any shooting and exhibition, day and time will be considered.
तेच ते त्या वेळार कन्फर्मेशन नाशिल्लें म्हणून हे आमी कन्फर्मेशन घेतलो.
सो आज तुमी कन्फर्म केलें तर
आमी ते गव्हर्नमेंटाकूय धाडला की दे सपोर्टेड फॉर रॉंग डिसिजन आणि गव्हर्नमेंट हॅज अ रायट टू इंटरवीन फॉर रॉंग डिसिजन टेकन बाय द काउन्सिल.
The matter of Rajiv Gandhi IT habitat Donna Paola once again came before the High Court. A public interest litigation has been filed pleading to complete the investigation about irregularities in the old plot allotment process first and then proceed with the new allotment process. High Court has issued notices to all the concerned parties including the state and Infotech Corporation.
A fresh PIL has been filed before the High Court in the matter of Rajiv Gandhi IT habitat Donna Paola, seeking the direction to Goa government to complete the investigation about irregularity in old allotment process first and then to initiate new allotment process. The petitioner has also pleaded that if some old allottee comes clean after investigation, its allotment should not be cancelled. The High Court has issued the notice to all parties including the state government and Infotech Corporation of Goa. After a long legal battle and lot of political noise, Goa government in August 2012 by passing Rajiv Gandhi IT Habitat Abolition and Regulation of Allotment of Plots Bill has cancelled the old allotment of 18 plots. During the hearing of related petition before the High Court, state government had assured to investigate the alleged irregularity in old allotment process. Later on, the High Court had allowed the state government to start fresh round of plot allotment process and the matter was disposed of. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Goa Industrial Development Corporation has filed complaints against the former chairman and officials of GIDC in alleged plot allotment scam. They have filed 2 complaints with the crime branch. President of GSI Shekhar Sardesai informed that another complaint will be filed in the coming days. The complaint was filed after a board meeting of the GIDC. New regulation by GIDC will penalize the buyer leaving the land unutilized.
We are happy to tell you that the last board meeting that happened on Friday, the GIDC board took a decision based on request from GSI and continued request from GSI again, that the complaints which were put by GSI against the officials of GIDC, including its chairman, be taken up by IDC. So the board took a unanimous decision that the matters will be filed with the crime branch this week, and I am told that 2 of such FIRs have already been filed and 1 is in the process of being filed between today and tomorrow. I am sure with the transfer guidelines in place, there are a lot of plots which will come up for surrendering. So a lot of people will either have to set up the industries, they will be given a definitive time, or they will have to surrender the plot. They cannot speculate by selling the plot to a new owner. Unless they have constructed a factory and legitimate reasons the factory is closed down, then of course with due payment of fees, and even the fee structure has been such that if you are transferring within 1 year, your fees are very high. If you are transferring after 5 years, your fees are lower. If you are transferring after 10 years of having run an industry and having closed down for over 80%, the fees are negligible.
More than 50 illegal hoardings along the major district roads were identified by the subdivisional magistrate at Tiswadi. NHAI along with traffic police and MDR officials inspected the hoardings which are into SDM's jurisdiction. PDO has directed to identify owners of the illegal hoardings. It has decided to remove all these hoardings by 3rd March.
On Thursday, illegal hoardings along the major district road in Tiswadi were identified. High Court has directed removal of hoardings along the roadside which disturb the riders. SDM Sandeep Desai, Technical Manager of National Highway Authority of India, C. Fitardo, and Sub-Divisional Police Officer Umesh Gaukar, Traffic Cell Police and other officers jointly conducted the inspection. More than 50 hoardings were identified by the authorities. Action will be taken by 3rd March. SDM has asked the Block Development Officer to prepare a report and submit it before 3rd March. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Sushant Pal for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.